Mulweni. Here we have a third person, and we're going to find out some details about him, and then after that we are going to look and see how we can be of assistance to someone on the telephone. So here this person Zama arrives, and here we go with the details. The first question then, identifying him, Ngubani lo. Ngubani lo. The lo means this, as in person. Ngubani lo. The response, Ngu Zama lo. Ngu Zama lo. Literally, it is Zama, this person. Okanye, the little word okanye meaning or. Ngubani igama lakhe. Ngubani igama lakhe. Lakhe, his name. Nguzama igama lakhe. Zama is his name. You can also say igama lakhe nguzama. You can reverse the word order. So igama, the name, and now the surname. Ngubani ifani yakhe. What is his surname? Take note of yakhe for the surname and lakhe for the name. The response, Ngumaki ifani yakhe. Maki is his surname. Uhlala phi uzama. Uhlala phi uzama. Where does he stay? This person Zama. He, hlala, stays, phi, where? Uhlala Lorraine. He stays in Lorraine. Usebenza uphangela phi uzama. Where does Zama work or earn a living? Usebenza uphangela and wherever the place may be. Alternatively, aka, he not. Pangeli, he not literally work. Akapangeli, he does not work. He is unemployed. Ngumfundi, he. Ngu is umfundi, a student. Still sticking with the third person, this time a student wishing to see a lecturer, asking, Uprof Dlali ukhona? Uprof Dlali ukhona? Is Prof Dlali here, or is he available? Andimazi. Andimazi, I don't know. The M refers to him or her. So Andimazi, I do not know about him or her. Ewe ukho. Yes, he or she is here. Ukho. Namely, use officini. Use officini. He is in his office. The his is implied. Use officini. Kodwa, but. Use busy ngoku. Use busy ngoku. Another possible response. Hayi, akekho. Akekho, he is not here. Some speakers of isiXhosa would prefer to say akakho. But both are equally correct. Akekho or akakho. And these are various places where he could be. Use meetingini. Use meetingini. As happens in academia, often in a meeting. Use meetingini. Likewise, use klasini. He is in class. Hayi akekho namhlanje. He is not here namhlanje, today. Usekhaya. He is at home. Uselivini. He is on leave. Akakafiki. Akakafiki. He has not arrived yet. The yet is expressed by the second ka. Akakafiki. Then a little bit of revision with reference to Tandi. Ngubani lo. Who is this? Ngutandi lo. This is Tandi. Akaphangeli. He or she does not work. Ngubani igama lakhe. What is her name? Ungumfundi. She is a student. Ngubani ifani yakhe. What is her surname? Ewe ukho. Yes, she is here or available. Hayi akekho. No, she is not here. Useklasini. This has a familiar ring to it, so it's easy. She is in class. Uphangelaphi, or rather uhlalaphi uThandi. Where does Thandi stay? Usemitingini. Familiarly, she is in a meeting. Uphangelaphi uThandi. Where does Thandi work? Akakafiki. She has not arrived yet. uThandi ukhona. Is Thandi here? And then finally some typical phrases when being of assistance on the telephone. So after the initial hello, ngusam lo uthethayo. Ngusam lo uthethayo. This is Sam speaking. You will remember the law referring to this as in person. Theta, to speak. Ngusam lo uthethayo. Ndinga nceda. Ndinga nceda. Can I be of assistance? Can I nceda? Can I help? Alternatively, ndingakwenzela ntoni. Ndingakwenzela ntoni. What can I do for you? Ntoni asking what. Ndingakwenzela ntoni. Or okanye ngubani othethayo. Ngubani othethayo. Who is speaking? Or ndithetha nabani. Ndithetha nabani. With whom am I speaking? The request could be ndicela. I am requesting. I make a request. Ukuthetha, to speak, no Sam. Ndicela ukuthetha no Sam. Sam might not be available. Hayi uxolo. Sorry, apologies. Akekho. He is not in. Usemitingini. Or useklasini. So if Sam is unavailable, the person might want to leave a message, and he would ask uphi. Where is he at the moment? Uphumile. Uphumile. He has gone out. From phuma, to go out. Phuma. The question, ndingathatha umyalezo. Ndingathatha, can I take? Umyalezo, a message. Ndingathatha umyalezo. ewe, mxelele, mxelele. Xelela is to tell. The him, the M refers to him. Tell him, mxelele ulali ufonile. Mxelele ulali ufonile. Tell him that Lali phoned and that ndiza kuphinda ndifone. Ndiza kuphinda ndifone. I, zaku, will or shall, pinda, repeat or do again, ndifone, by calling. So phuma, to go out, tata, to take, xelela, to tell, pinda, to do again. And of course here we had teta, to speak, nceda, to assist. Good. So that concludes then this lesson. Enkosi kakhulu.